Este es tu aviso. This is your notice. Este es. This is. Tu aviso. Your notice. This is your notice. Deja que ella use el tuyo. Let her use yours. Deja que ella. Let her use el tuyo. Use yours. Let her use yours. ¿Quién te gusta más? Who do you like more? ¿Quién? Who? ¿Te gusta? Do you like? Más? More? Who do you like more? El mío todavía funciona. Mine still works. El mío, mine, todavía, still, funciona, works. Mine still works. El perro está bien entrenado. The dog is well trained. El perro, the dog, está bien, is well, entrenado, trained. The dog is well trained. Ellos no pueden hablar ahora. They can't talk now. Ellos, they, no pueden, can't, hablar, talk, ahora, now. They can't talk now. Estos no son muy conocidos. These are not well known. Estos, these, no son, are not, muy conocidos, well known. These are not well known. Ellos intentaron atacarme. They tried to attack me. Ellos, they, intentaron, tried, atacarme, to attack me. They tried to attack me. ¿Puedo todavía calificar? Can I still qualify? ¿Puedo? Can I? Todavía. Still. Calificar. Qualify. Can I still qualify? No estoy calificado para hacer eso. I'm not qualified to do that. No estoy. I'm not. Calificado. Qualified. Para hacer. To do. Eso. That. I'm not qualified to do that. Así es como hago las cosas. That's how I do things. Así es como. That's how. Hago. I do. Las cosas. Things. That's how I do things. Podemos abrirlo más. We can open it more. Podemos. We can. Abrirlo. Open it. Más. More. We can open it more. Ella siempre es así. She's always like that. Ella. She. Siempre es. Is always. Así. Like that. She's always like that. Tengo algo para todos. I have something for everyone. Tengo. I have. Algo. Something. Para. For. Todos. Everyone. I have something for everyone. Lo mantendremos seguro. We'll keep it safe. Lo mantendremos. We'll keep it. Seguro. Safe. We'll keep it safe. Nadie me advirtió. Nobody warned me. Nadie. Nobody. Me advirtió. Warned me. Nobody warned me. Hazlo gradualmente. Do it gradually. Hazlo. Do it. Gradualmente. Gradually. Do it gradually. El tuyo debe ser rehecho. Yours must be redone. El tuyo. Yours. Debe. Must. Ser. Be. Rehecho. Redone. Yours must be redone.